Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So we don't have a Google Photo as defaultly on this device, so I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. The first one is of course with the Google Photos. I'm now downloading it, but now I will show you the first method. So we have to open the web browser, then go to the google.com. And now it's a very important step. Remember about that. Switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now tap on the small camera icon and choose upload a file. Add a permission and choose the files. Then tap on the gallery and choose the picture that you want to search in the Google. Like this one for example. And now whole process starting automatically, and we are looking for the same image in the Google database. That was the first method. Now the second one by the Google Photos, so we have to launch this app. Allow a permission. And just choose the photo like before. Like this one, okay. And now just click here on the Google Lens icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.